This is the most important numerical of the height and distance. The angular elevation of a cloud from the point H meter above the lake is alpha, and angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is beta. Therefore, the height of the cloud is this, and also prove that the distance of the cloud from point observation is 2 h sec alpha upon 10 beta minus 10 अल्फा। इन हिंदी, झील की तल से h मीटर स्थित बिंदु से बादल का उन्नयन कोण अल्फा। दिस इज द ओके, दिस इज द लेक, दिस इज द लेक, h meter above, this is the cloud, h meter above, the angle of elevation is alpha. Okay, that is A, that is B, C for cloud, that is C. Okay, that is D, E, and that is F. And angle of depression of the image of the cloud in a lake is beta. This is beta. Again, ये झील है, झील के तल से जो टाइप पर कोई बिंदु ऑब्जर्वर भी है, यहाँ से एंगुलर एलिवेशन ऑफ द क्लाउड अल्फा, ओके, एंड एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन ऑफ द क्लाउड इमेज इन अ लेक इज बीटा। तो कह रहा है फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द दिस, व्हाट इज दिस h, ओके, that is h, small h, that is h, AB equal to h, okay, then D also h, let C equal to capital H, then CD equal to h minus h, and EC equal to EF, EF equal to this equal to h, okay, because C equal to EF. Now return, then DF equal to, this is h, then DF is h plus h, okay. In this figure, now again in triangle BDC, that is alpha, that is tan alpha, perpendicular, that is CD h minus h upon BD, x suppose कर लो, that is x, equation 1, in triangle BDE, not in F, in this triangle, that is beta, so tan beta is perpendicular, that is DF, DF upon x h plus h upon x, that is second, from equation first and second, divide each other and eliminate x. Tan beta by tan alpha, that is h plus h upon x, that is h plus h minus h upon x, eliminate. Okay, this gives us tan beta by tan alpha minus 1 equal to h plus h upon h minus h minus 1. Take LCM, tan beta tan alpha upon tan alpha. Okay, here is or cross multiplication, multiply plus h tan beta minus h tan beta. Here is h tan alpha plus h tan alpha. Now take h common, tan beta, this is plus, here is minus h, that's tan alpha plus, or here is plus, minus into there plus tan beta. Therefore h equal to h tan alpha plus tan beta upon tan beta minus tan alpha. This is the required. Again, consider in this triangle, see the cloud from the above h meter high observer is flat 8 meter high पे कोई observer है, angular elevation top of the cloud is alpha. Okay, and the angle of depression of the image of the cloud in a lake is beta, that is beta. By the refraction CE equal to EF. Practically when you move to a bottom top or in a bucket, you see that the when your mouth high, the image go down. When the mouth comes down, the image has coming up. Okay, आप देखे होंगे नहाते हैं तो जब आप बाल्टी में देखते हो तो लगता है जैसे जैसे आप सिर को नीचे ले जाते हो लगता है इमेज उठ रहा है, जैसे जैसे आप सिर को उठाते हो लगता है इमेज प्योर डाउन जा रहा है. तो ये दोनों इक्वल होते हैं बाय द रिफ्रैक्शन. तो सी एच एंड EF also H, this H, and in this tan alpha this by this, and in this tan beta this by this, and divide each other and eliminate. We find the height of the cloud. Now second part. In second part, that is the distance D. D acute triangle BDC. D upon x equal to sec alpha, hypotenuse upon base, that is D equal to x sec alpha. That is the third. Now we have required the x required. Okay. In triangle from equation 1 from equation 1 tan alpha is h minus h upon x. From equation second tan beta is h plus h upon x. Now tan beta minus tan alpha equal to h plus h by x minus h minus h by x. Take the LCM x. We observe x plus h minus h plus h to h upon x. That is tan beta minus tan alpha. Therefore, x tan beta minus tan alpha equal to 2h. That gives us x equal to 2h upon tan beta minus tan alpha. From equation third, substitute the value of x. D equal to x is 2h tan beta minus tan alpha, or that is sec alpha. This is the required is 2h over tan beta minus tan alpha. Thank you.